Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing. So I did place some purchases. I know I'm spending a lot of money, but when you're in quarantine, that's what you are probably doing. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I got from Old Navy, and then I'm going to be recording another video for you guys. Surprise, another unboxing. I promise I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. It's just I'm a little nervous about it. We'll see. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So this video is going to be not just a unboxing, but I'm also going to do a try on haul. So the first item I got is this denim skirt. It's really cute. It has like these little frills at the bottom. I'm going to try them on to see if they fit. So I'll probably have some inserts of me trying on the clothing. So this is how the skirt looks. It's like a nice mid-length-ish skirt. Can be high-waisted depending on if you are long leg. But yeah, it's really cute and fits really well. I'm gonna link it in the I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can order if you are interested. Next, we have this black tie jumper. It looks like this. Again, I'm going to do some screenshots of me trying it on and pairing it with different items. I got this because I wanted to wear it for work. I wanted some other options besides jeans to wear. And yes, I do still go into the office because my job wants us to at least be there part of the week. So I work from home once to twice a week. So I think I'm going to use those days to film and then probably upload the following day. Or if I can knock them out, do it all at once. The way I would like dress it up a little bit is probably put on like a nice wedge shoe and then put on a cute denim jacket. Excuse my dirty mirror because I haven't cleaned it yet. I was out of town this weekend visiting my brother. But yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend this one, and again I'll link it down below. The last thing I got from Old Navy, which I will not be trying these on because I'm not having any feet people looking at my videos just to stare at my feet, are these little T-strap sandals. Looks like these. I did have a pair of olive green ones that I had for a few years, and I really like the Old Navy sandals, not only because they're comfortable and affordable, but they also fit my feet. I have a narrow foot, so I would recommend these if you do have a narrow foot. So that's all I got from Old Navy. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I hope you enjoyed my little try on section. If you guys liked the video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what other content you would like me to record, and I'll see you in the next video.